Hi there, my name is Thomas, I'm from Great Britain and I'm an English teacher here at the IFU Sprachschulung. Today's topic, the simple present. The simple present, also known as the present simple or the present indefinite, is used to talk about habits, generalizations and repetition. So, we can also use it to talk about things that happen in the near future and sometimes to talk about things which happen now. Now, how do we make it? So, we take our infinitive and we remove to. But remember, we add s or es for he, she and it. Let's take a look at two tables with the verbs to play and to go.
Present simple. I play. You play. He plays. She plays. It plays. We play. You play. They play. Present simple. I go. You go. He goes. She goes. It goes. We go. You go. They go.
How do we build sentences? To build a sentence with the simple present, we take our subject, our verb, and the rest of the sentence. Let's have a look at the table now.
Present simple. We play tennis every Sunday. Subject plus verb plus rest of sentence. He goes to school in London.
Remember, if the verb ends in sh, ch, o, ss, x or z, we add es to he, she and it.
Verb which end in sh, ch, o, ss, x and z plus s do, does, teach, teaches.
So, how do we use it? We can use it to talk about routines, facts, opinions and things in general. We can also use it to talk about other ideas. Let's have a look in the table to see how we can use it.
We can also use it to talk about an action which is speaked or usual, hobbies, daily events, events which often happen, scheduled events.
The verb to be in English is really important. It's also irregular. Let's have a look at our table to see how we can make the verb to be in the simple present.
Present simple. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are.
So, some examples with the simple present verb to be. I am happy. You are from Italy. They are students. The verb to have is also very important in English, and it's also irregular. Let's have a look at our table to see how we can make the verb to have.
Present simple. I have. You have. He has. She has. It has. We have. You have. They have.
Examples with the verb to have. I have a pen. You have a car. They have a chair. And we have a house. And don't forget, he, she, it has. So he has a brother. So that's everything for this video. See you in the next video where we will talk about the simple present with negatives, Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell so you don't miss any new videos, and follow us on our other social media sites. Until next time.